In Gilgit-Baltistan, Eid-e-Nowruz is a festival of joy, renewal, and tradition. And one of the most cherished moments of the celebration is the excitement of little kids as they participate in the festivities, especially when it comes to dry fruits and sweets. In many households, there's a tradition of giving dry fruits to kids first, believing that their innocent laughter and happiness will bring good luck for the new year. Some families organize small games and competitions for children, where the winners get extra treats of dry fruits, local sweets, or homemade delicacies. Children also go door to door, wishing their neighbors Nowruz Mubarak, receiving gifts of dry fruits, small coins, or candies in return. While adults celebrate Nowruz with prayers, feasts, and cultural performances, children bring a special charm to the festival with their laughter, playful energy, and excitement over dry fruits and sweets. It's a heartwarming sight to see kids dressed in colorful traditional clothes, their hands full of nuts and treats, embodying the true spirit of joy and togetherness. Since Gilgit-Baltistan is famous for its high-quality dry fruits, gifting and consuming them on Nowruz is a sign of blessing and good fortune. In some places, nuts are tossed in the air and kids rush to grab them, adding an element of fun and excitement to the festival.